Everyone hear that little...
It's Cameron again, walking into the zoo.
Yeah.
This is a pretty nice little walkway.
Look out for other ninjas. No, there are no ninjas in the zoo.
You hear that, whatever that is over there?
I think some kind of monkey thing.
Some kind of monkey thing?
Yeah. Fish.
This is a little thing here. Come here. Looky here. These birds.
Parrots? There's some type of parrots, Mom.
There's some type of parrots? They're pretty.
Yeah.
Very pretty. I think there's a squirrel over here that's hiding on this log. Can't see it.
I don't see the squirrel.
This is very, very tropical, I guess. Not really tropical.
It's a tropical forest.
That's a pretty bird.
I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. Why am I in tropical forest? I'm supposed to be in flamethrower.
Look at that one.
Hey, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
And that one's biting on a limb.
Why am I in tropical forest? I'm supposed to...